for an effective way to burn calories and get in better shape but don't have much room? The XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike is the perfect exercise tool to help you comfortably pedal away the calories. To ensure a smooth and sturdy workout, the FB150 utilizes our solid X-frame design with thick steel tubing and a silent belt drive system. Challenge yourself with 8 levels of resistance, while you easily keep track of all of your workout data with the easy-to-use console. It provides feedback on your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse, along with a convenient scan feature. Make your workouts more effective by easily monitoring your heart rate with a handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors. For improved comfort, the FB150 provides a large anatomically designed thick padded seat and large multi-grip padded handlebars. With folded dimensions under 17 inches by 18 inches and built-in transport wheels, it allows you to store it away when not in use and free up valuable floor space. Start the journey towards achieving your fitness goals today with the XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike.
Push yourself to become stronger, faster, and better with the magnetic indoor cycling bike by Sunny Health and Fitness. Experience a high-intensity workout that supports multi-hand grips, high-interval training, and micro-adjustable resistance. The magnetic resistance creates an unbelievably smooth and silent ride, helping you achieve a better cardio and metabolic fitness routine. The 44-pound flywheel promotes improved physical fitness training and encourages a more fluid cycling motion. Step into the adjustable cage strap pedals and feel secure on the heavy-duty steel frame. The bike is designed with a 4-way adjustable seat and handlebars for a completely bespoke fit unique to all riders. Watch your favorite videos when you place your tablet or phone on the device holder. When you're done, cool down with the convenient water bottle holder. Then move your bike with ease with the transportation wheels. Maximize your physical fitness routine with the SFB 1805 Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Experience fitness from an adventure state of mind with the Schwinn IC4, the indoor fitness bike that connects with world-class app experiences like Journey, Peloton, and Zwift from your smartphone or tablet. The IC4's smooth, quiet ride was designed to keep you active and built for the journey ahead. Featuring magnetic resistance with 100 resistance levels, an intuitive resistance knob, a beautiful backlit LCD display, adjustable race-style seat, dual-link pedals with toe cages, and a pair of 3-pound dumbbells with easy-reach cradles. Place your phone or tablet on the media rack and keep them charged with the IC4's convenient USB charging station, XL dipped handlebars for a premium grip, and dual water bottle holders for staying hydrated. The Schwinn IC4 comes with a slim, comfortable, Bluetooth-enabled heart rate armband that continuously monitors heart rate to help you stay within your target zone. Discover something new and personalized every day of the week with a Journey membership, now available for IC4 on iOS and Android devices. The Journey app assesses your fitness level and recommends workouts based on your abilities, available time, mood, and the workout experiences you enjoy most, like adaptive workouts with real-time coaching, on-demand classes, virtual destinations, and more. No matter what you choose, the Journey digital fitness platform ensures you'll have something fun, fresh, and exhilarating to look forward to in every workout. And if you're looking for even more adventure, the IC4 bike also connects with cycling apps such as Peloton, Zwift, and more. Fitness was never meant to be put in a box, and neither were you. Escape the everyday with the Schwinn IC4 bike, your ticket to a daringly healthy lifestyle. Think you've seen this before? Try again, and again. Actually, put fire to everything you knew about indoor cycling and discover the Bowflex Velocore, the indoor bike that's anything but stationary. It's thoughtfully engineered with leaning mode to create a wildly immersive riding experience that helps to ignite your arms and shred your core. Simply put, it dares your body to be everything it was meant to be. You can ride in stationary mode or go unstationary with leaning mode, where you can sway, rock, move, and flex your way through an array of epic workouts. Can't decide between workouts and entertainment? Now you can do both. A Journey membership allows you to binge shows and more on the HD touchscreen while crushing your A game. The Journey experience layers personalized adaptive workouts and leaning workouts alongside your existing Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus accounts. You supply the streaming subscription, we provide the magic. Trainer-led videos breathe new life into every workout. Our clever virtual coach encourages you through the final sprint. And if you're feeling adventurous, get lost in scenic destinations all around the planet right from your living room. Why limit yourself to just one digital experience? You can effortlessly connect to Peloton and Zwift apps and view them right from your smartphone, tablet, or smart TV. Not to mention, this puppy has bells and whistles. We're talking 100 resistance levels. Yeah, there's no such thing as muscle memory. Dual-link pedals with toe cages for a secure, slip-free ride. 6 hand-position handlebars for everything to hold on to. Adjustable seat for your back and your ass. Dual water bottle holders. Trust us, you'll need both. Media rack so you can work your brain too. 3-pound dumbbells so you can hustle for that muscle. HD touchscreen for the Netflix and apps. There's indoor bikes, then there's the Bowflex Velocore bike. Why settle for less than you deserve? Do more with Velocore.
Hi, I'm Justin. I'd like to introduce you to the Exerpeutic 5000 Bluetooth magnetic recumbent bike with an air-soft seat. If you're looking for a cardiovascular workout that's great for your legs, lungs, and heart, but safe on your joints, especially your knees, this is going to be the bike and the workout for you. Let's take a look. So this bike is made for users up to 325 pounds. One of my favorite features is the large air-soft seat. Now this seat has little chambers that allow air to flow through to create a cool and comfortable ride. This bike also has a molded mesh backrest with office chair style elbow pads that are designed for you to alleviate stress in your lower back. In fact, I can press down, drop the shoulders, elongate the spine, and take off all that stress in your lower back. It's super comfortable and highly effective. We've got 24 preset programs and 24 levels of resistance. This allows the opportunity for all fitness levels, wherever you are on your journey, to be challenged and encouraged to keep going. This console will track time, speed, distance, calories, and more. And all of this information can be found on the MyCloud Fitness app, so you can track your progress and see how great you're doing. So this is the Exerpeutic 5000 Bluetooth magnetic recumbent bike. It's got everything you need, including a super large, very comfortable air-soft seat. I love it, and I know you will too.